Njengombana iChina ingene emnyakeni omutjha nje, Umengameli wekhethwapha uCyril Ramaphosa ukandelele ukuthi iSouth Africa neChina zinobudlelwano obuqinileko begodu unethemba lokuthi umnyaka omutjha lo uzokuletha impumelelo phakathi kwenarha embili ezi uqinise nobudlelwano obuya phambili.
As we recover and rebuild in the wake of COVID-19, it is our wish that the comprehensive strategic partnership between China and South Africa will lead to mutual economic growth, development, and common prosperity. Prosperity for ourselves, for our respective regions, and for the rest of the world.
Umengameli Ramaphosa ubuye wabuka neBeijing ngendlela elwisana ngayo nengogwane engimabhubhisa iCovid-19.
Our focus will be ending the pandemic, alleviating poverty, reducing inequality, and creating more jobs. South Africa is grateful to the People's Republic of China for its support throughout the pandemic, and particularly for working to ensure that Africa has greater access to COVID-19 vaccines.
Ramaphosa urakele phambili nokukhuthaza abantu ukuthi bajovele ingogwana le.
Recovery depends on everyone being vaccinated. We are only safe when everyone is safe. No country and no community must be left behind.
Nakusenjalo ubuzenda beChina buthi buzimisele ukusebenzisana kuhle neSouth Africa phakathi komnyaka lo.